Okay. I think I'm going to go up to do these. I'm going to come back. I'm not going to do the primitive trail. And maybe do that one too. The first time. How arches are formed. You can just look at that. Yeah, you can look up there and see it in progress right there practically. An elevated pathway. Getting close to turret arch. Got a small hole in the wall there. Beautiful. No, head over to the windows. Okay, coming up next, south window. South window. There it is. Beautiful. Also, the primitive trail to the parking lot heads down that way. I'm not taking that though. Take a look around here, what it looks like from this viewing spot. Gosh, wow. Man alive. North window coming up. Oh, this must be north window. Beautiful. Gosh, that color. Hmm. That's the view out of north window. Wow. Look right over this thing here. Gotta get further away so I can get more of the arch behind me. North window. Let's see, go down here.
Ahí, ajá. El medio, hacia la derecha, hacia la derecha.
Cool.
La dirección, ajá, ahí, ahí en todo el medio. Un poquito más a la
There's
izquierda.
me, my head right in the arch.
A ver,
Wow.
1, 2 y 3.
I gotta get further away again. Further down here. That way we can see the whole thing. There we go. That is north window. Beautiful. Oh man, alive. Let's turn this around. Oh wow. Okay, there's one more trail. It was the double arch, I think it was called. I'm going to head down and head up to that one. Okay, made it down here. Double arch trail. The sun is setting, so I want to make it out there. I'm right here. I want to go up the double arch. Okay, 0.25 one way, so best time of day. Morning is good for photographs. Well, it's evening. That's what I'm gonna have to do. Oh well. But here goes. Let's take a quick look around here. There's the sun going down. They're over there. Already got this sign right here. And there, that's it right there. So it's not far. Yeah, look how the light just brings that color out. The setting sun. So in the morning, I suppose it would have been this side. It would have been better, but that's okay. Well, here's Double Arch. Yeah, in the morning, all this would have been lit up, you know, well, not lit up, but bright, you know, reflecting the morning sun. And I'm in the shade now with it setting, so it's not bringing out the color. But still, it's still very beautiful. It's just not as bright as it would have been with the sun. That's all right. I'll take it as it is. Gosh, look at that formation eroding away right underneath. Gosh, it's amazing how that works. Trying to keep the camera aimed up there and then watch where I'm walking at the same time. Step up. There we go. Basically right underneath the one there. Not gonna climb up there. There are some people up there though. Oh, there's a little forming through there too. Maybe someday it'll be triple arch. Yeah, you can see the north window there, and the sun's gone down further, so that's not directly hitting it like it was when I was over there. So I did get some beautiful footage over there, so that's good. I'll just take a look around here just a few more minutes, then head back. Gosh, look at that. Huh. Look at these boulders and chunks and slabs that have fallen. I'm going to go over there and look at it from that angle. You know, move down a little bit and see different angle. Let's see, get me underneath the double arch. Kind of, I gotta get further away, obviously. I'll do that. Okay, I moved down further. I can get both of the arches now. And I gotta angle it just right. There's the double arch, it's right behind me. See, there we go. Double Arch and Arches National Park. There we go. All right. Flip. All right, I'm going to head back to the car now and just enjoy this walk. Look at that beautiful, quiet, peaceful, calm, everything you want. Okay, made it back. Took one last look around this parking lot area. Double arts over there. Setting sun, or already set sun. And the turret arch is over there. There's you can see the north window there, and of course the south window's on the other side. Can't see it from here. But one last look around. There we go.